Hey, so another problem, consumers come in all the time and say, hey, Dustin, I'm living in my coach. Well, I do RV repair for a living, and I want to say 50% of my customers live in the coach full time, the others don't. Regardless whether you're living in your coach full time or you're not, one of the big problems that we always run into is people come in and say, hey, my toilet's not sealing very well. So I want to introduce you to a Thetford product. It's called Thetford Toilet Seal Lubricant and Conditioner. This product is simply poured into the toilet itself. It stays inside there and it does exactly what it says. It's going to help lubricate and condition the seals. It's basically keeping, whether it's a pedestal toilet with a valve seal or a blade seal, it's keeping those seals nice and soft and conditioned. These toilets, they go through a lot of torture, between, sometimes we won't use them for months on end, or sometimes we're using them every day. So this conditioner helps preserve those seals, keeps them from breaking down, drying up, shrinking, and cracking. And overall, that's what keeps the smell out of your coach. So if you want to keep the smell out of your coach, if you want to keep the water held up in your bowl, invest in some toilet seal conditioner and lubrication. Thank you so much for watching.